When it comes to smartwatches, Apple has always been at the top of the game, setting new benchmarks with every release. From the original Apple Watch that revolutionized how people interact with wearables, to the pro-level Apple Watch Ultra line that has redefined toughness, performance, and outdoor usability. Apple has shown again and again that it knows how to dominate the wrist. And now, with the Apple Watch Ultra 3, the company is proving once more that innovation never stops. The specifications of this powerful new smartwatch have finally been revealed, and they are making waves across the tech industry, sparking debates, excitement, and anticipation about what this device will mean for the future of wearable technology. So, let's dive into the full breakdown of the Apple Watch Ultra 3, its detailed specifications, and most importantly, what these changes mean for users who want the most advanced smartwatch Apple has ever built. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, an outdoor adventurer, or simply someone who loves having the best tech on your wrist, this watch has something that will catch your attention. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is not just an incremental update. It's a bold step forward. Apple has taken the feedback from the Ultra 1 and Ultra 2, listened to what users loved, what they wished for, and what could be improved, and delivered a package that feels both familiar and strikingly new. With upgraded internals, better display technology, improved battery performance, and features that push the boundaries of what a smartwatch can do, the Ultra 3 is shaping up to be one of the most significant wearables ever released. First, let's talk about the design and build, because this is where Apple sets the tone for the Ultra series. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 maintains that rugged, industrial aesthetic that has become iconic for the line. It still carries the titanium body, built for durability and resilience, but Apple has refined the finishing touches. This time, the Ultra 3 comes in not only the classic natural titanium look, but also new finishes that feel more premium and versatile, appealing to both outdoor athletes and style-conscious users who want their watch to match everyday outfits. The design remains bold, larger than the regular Apple Watch models, with its 49mm case size giving it presence and authority on the wrist. The display is one of the biggest highlights of the Apple Watch Ultra 3. Apple has upgraded the screen to be brighter, sharper, and more energy efficient. The Ultra 2 already amazed users with its peak brightness of 3000 nits, making it the brightest display Apple had ever put on a watch. The Ultra 3 takes it even further, pushing beyond that with improved HDR performance, better sunlight legibility, and new always-on display technology that is smoother and more responsive. Whether you're checking notifications in the dark, glancing at your fitness stats under direct sunlight, or using it as a flashlight replacement during late-night adventures,